Bibimbap is one of Korea's most iconic dishes, a bowl where different ingredients come together in harmony. Welcome to Joy's Seoul table. Today, we are making bibimbap. Start with the rice. Rinse it 2 to 3 times gently, just enough to clean the rice. You don't need to wash it until the water runs completely clear. Just a gentle rinse is enough. Use equal parts rice and water. Let's prepare the vegetables. Cut the zucchini in half lengthwise, then slice into thin half moons. Slice the carrot, then cut into julienne. Trim up the stems, then thinly slice the shiitake mushrooms. Save them for making dashi or vegetable broth. Heat a pan over medium-high heat with oil. Saute the zucchini with a pinch of salt for 2 to 3 minutes until just soften. Finish with a drizzle of sesame oil. Add a bit more oil and cook the carrots with a pinch of salt for 1 to 2 minutes until tender crisp. Finish with the sesame oil. Add a little more oil and saute shiitake mushrooms until lightly browned. Season with minced garlic, soy sauce, and mirim, then cook briefly. Finish with a little sesame oil. Bring water to a boil. Add bean sprouts and blanch for 3 minutes uncovered. Drain and rinse under cold running water. Gently squeeze out excess water. Add salt, minced garlic, sesame seeds, and sesame oil. I like to grind the sesame seeds for extra aroma. Then gently toss everything together so the bean sprouts stay nice and crunchy. Slice the radish thin, then cut into fine strips. Then season with gochugaru, salt, fish sauce, vinegar, sugar, and minced garlic. Toss and lightly rub for a minute or 2 until the radish softens slightly. These are called namul, Korean seasoned vegetable side dishes. For the bibimbap sauce, today we are using king oyster mushrooms, but you can also use button, shiitake, or oyster mushrooms. Roughly chop and set aside. In a bowl, combine gochujang, minced garlic, soy sauce, corn syrup, water, and black pepper, and give it a good mix. Heat oil in a pan over high heat and add chopped mushrooms. Cook until the moisture evaporates and the mushrooms are deeply browned. Traditionally, this gochujang sauce, often called gochujang, is made with meat, but mushrooms create a rich, savory flavor as well. Reduce heat to low, add the sauce, and cook until thickened. Finish with sesame oil. When the rice is done, fluff it gently after cooking to release excess steam and keep the texture light. Place rice in a bowl. Now for the finishing touch, fry an egg sunny side up and place it over the rice. Add each vegetable separately around the egg yolk. Finish with the gochujang sauce, drizzle of sesame oil, and sprinkle sesame seeds. Today, we use these vegetables, but bibimbap literally translates to mixed rice. Bibim means mixing, and bap means rice. So you can use almost anything, fresh vegetables like cucumbers, lettuce, beans, or even canned tuna. Make it your own. Use whatever you have on hand. Enjoy, and 맛있게 드세요. I will see you at Joy's Seoul table.